Michelle. Thank you for your time to assist us with our interview session. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Grace. I'm a South University International Business student. The goal of this interview is to enable me and my teammates to gather data for my digital economy portfolio too. Our meeting will be around half an hour, and we will discuss and help you to develop a consumer persona. For your information, the interview is about interviewing a new potential customer that would like to consume Kim Yun coffee. Okay, so Miss Michelle, is it okay with you? I would like to record our session to help ensure accuracy. The recording will help us during our transcript and just to show our lecturer as a reference. So may I have your approval to record it now?
Yeah, okay.
All right, thank you. So do you have any objection if I mention your name at any point if I need it in my assignment?
No objection.
All right, thank you. So let's proceed now. So first of all, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Michelle. I am in the working field for 3 years. My hobby is sleeping, eating, reading, playing games, listening to music. I am working in the I'm at HR. Working HR manage in terms of hiring, paying people, managing people, developing people. I'm not sure what you need me to introduce, but yeah, this is all.
That is enough for yourself. So, how about your education background?
I graduated in psychology with a psychology degree in Utah campus.
Oh, all right. Sounds good. Is it a degree?
Yeah, Bachelor of Social Science.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so would you mind to tell us about your income level? Maybe like as a like below 3K, above 5K?
Can I give you the annual one instead?
Sure, no problem.
Annual about 36K.
All right. Would you mind to tell us which company you're working in?
I'm working in a freight forwarding company in Bukit Tinggi Klang called Aqua Freight Services.
All right. So how about like recently these 5 years? Do you have any goals?
Recently these 5 years, do I have any goals?
Yeah, 5-year goals.
5 years goals are definitely is to ensure that my income is 120K per year.
That's a good target. All right. So, can you please tell us which city that you're staying in?
City Black. Oh yeah, by the way, Ruiz, I made a mistake. My annual year income is 48K.
Never mind. It's okay. Okay. So, which city are you living in?
Which Klang.
Klang. Okay. So, how about like recently? Do you facing any challenges like in your life or even like, especially in the work life?
Facing any challenges in life? Yeah, I'm tired.
Not enough of time, right?
Not enough rest hence why the coffee comes in. No coffee I cannot function.
Yeah. That's why we found out like you are the potential customer to us. Yeah. So okay, how about your interests?
My interests are music, studying. Learning new things, meeting new people, networking.
Sounds good. Like, what kind of networking? Do you have join any clubs or event for this?
Networking. Okay, I network in, let me see, 3 different places. One is I'm in a non-government organization called Junior Chapel International, JCI. That's number one. Number two, I also network in LinkedIn among a lot of LinkedIn people there. We do hang out. The third one is I joined a HR organization, international organization called Asia HRM. That one is founded in Hong Kong. Yeah.
Sounds good. Okay, so how about like, do you have any fears? How about what is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear? I've never thought about my fear. I know deep ocean I do not know what is that phobia called but technically I'm afraid of like very deep ocean.
Okay. Alright, so we found out you are our potential customer, but before we start for our main question, I would like to introduce what is Keen Yuan. Alright, Keen Yuan is a Malaysian Vietnam coffee-based startup founded by two Malaysian founders, which is Radius Ko and Henry Tan. They are both formerly full-time graphic designers, but now they are fully dedicated to make quality and fresh affordable coffee to Malaysians for their daily life. Yeah, and also Keen Yuan have been selling Vietnamese style coffee successfully for past 1 year since June 2019, and they have built a loyal following of returning regulars as well as new customer every single day. Yeah, so Keen Yuan they have like a lot of special type of coffee. Um, some of their original Vietnamese coffee. They also have like coconut latte, yogurt latte. Yeah, would you mind to have a try it?
Coconut and yogurt latte. Yogurt.
Yeah,
Oh, do you have this plain black coffee?
got. They got.
Yeah, I prefer my coffee without milk or sugar. I just like it black.
So maybe you can take a try next time. That is like a lot of places got the our Keen Yuan coffee lah. It's basically somewhere also, and also some Kota Damansara area. They have another branch also. Yeah. So that's all about my part today. I will pass it to Jeffel to continue with the interview. Thank you.
Thank you, Grace. Hi, Miss Michelle.
Hi.
May I know, do you prefer to use an internet search engine like Google to search something, or do you prefer to travel to physical shop to check out and purchase an item?
I mean, if I know where the item is at, definitely I'll just go straight to the physical store. Unless it's a very like rare item, maybe that day I would like to drink maybe durian flavored coffee and I do not know where to get it, then probably I'll Google. Or else I'll just go straight to the nearest store.
I see. Next, may I know how often do you check your email or social media?
Oh, every day. I have to, even to the extent I need to set a time limit on Instagram to only 1 hour a day.
So you have to self-discipline yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, next. May I know what types of e-payment methods do you prefer? For example, like GrabPay, Touch and Go, Apple Pay, or Maybank to you?
Oh, definitely GrabPay.
May I know why?
Why? Because if I top up my Grab wallet, then got the points.
Okay. Well, next. Would you rather order coffee on your own or require assistance from the coffee employees? For example, you would ask like, what is their best seller, or what do they recommend?
I mean, if it's like because usually I get coffee in either Family Mart. There's nothing. Okay, it depends. If it's a new place like a cafe where there is a barista, there's not just a general place like Starbucks or Coffee Bean to get coffee. Most probably I'll ask them what for their recommendation, or else I'll just go for Americano.
Okay, I see.
Or cold brew.
Okay, now let me pass to Susan to talk about the mobile application. Thanks.
Oh, okay. Oh, Susan is there. Okay.
Thank you, Jeffel. Hi, Miss Michelle. I'm Susan. So glad you're here. So I would like to ask question regarding the application of apps which can be executed in a coffee shop. So first of all, do you think buying coffee via official application or online is applicable for you?
Online application or
like maybe you use their website or their apps to purchase, or you just instead of using food delivery service or like GrabPay, Foodpanda, which one would you prefer?
As of now, food delivery. If you were to compare app and food delivery, definitely food delivery because there is no. I'm not aware of an app where I can order coffee. Maybe like the direct to the brand.
If let's say the other way, you are using a website to order or an apps to order, which one will you prefer more?
Apps for sure.
Apps for sure. So next, I would like to ask: have you had any unpleasant purchase experience through a coffee shop, official application, or through the physical store?
Physical store usually no. If through online, yes, it's definitely when you order online, right, when the coffee comes, right, definitely it's no longer the size that you originally want. It's still half already one.
Okay. So the next question, what is the main reason for you to not purchase coffee online or using an app?
Why they are not purchased it through an app? Because there's a physical store nearby. When there's a physical store nearby, I don't need to pay for delivery fees.
Alright, sure. So when you crave or drink, which method would you prefer to purchase? Is it via walk-in or food delivery?
Depending on my time. If I have time, I will walk. If I got no time, then I will just deliver.
Alright, sure. So assuming that you will try Key Nuance coffee in the future, would you mind if you receive a lukewarm coffee instead of a hot coffee?
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
I think it's fine lah, as long as it's not cold lah.
Alright. So the next question, what are your main concerns when making an online purchase?
Online purchase, that either my coffee don't get delivered or the coffee spilled already.
Oh, okay. So do you trust online payment or prefer to pay cash on delivery?
Online payment.
Online payment. So you think that that's not nothing secure for you, right? Like it is more convenient for you.
Yeah, for sure. More convenient.
Alright, sure. So that's all from my part. Next, I would like to pass to Adam to talk about e-menu. Thank you.
Thank you, Susan. Hi, Michelle. I'm Adam. So my question is about e-menu. So the first question is, have you experienced scanning any e-menu at any restaurant or cafe before? Like if yes, do you find anything like particular difficult to operate, or it's not like user friendly for you?
Difficult to operate. When the internet is laggy, I guess sometimes the user interface may not be very friendly. It's like I have no idea where to press. So I think the user interface is important for me, and also the whole internet lah.
Okay. And my next question is, based on your past experience, did the actual food or drink that you have received match the image illustrated from the e-menu?
For sure, no one. Illustration purposes only.
Okay. Okay. My next question is, if a physical coffee shop practice like e-menu, QR code ordering system, will you prefer like scan to order, or do you order from the cashier?
Order from the cashier, as in I walk to the cashier, or people, or just walk to the cashier lah. I would prefer to walk to the cashier sometimes.
May I know why?
Why? Because at least I can ask questions. How do I say? At least I am talking to. If I go to the cashier, I'm talking to human, Then they can respond. If I have any questions, then they can respond. If through the menu, then I'm like,
yeah, true.
Okay, so what do I do if I want to add additional remarks? When I write there, will it be taken note or taken into consideration?
Okay. My next question is, have you faced like any issue when you scan the QR code to access the web page?
Any issue? Sometimes it doesn't show on my phone. Like some phone can, then among me and my friends to start blaming, or maybe Android can see, iPhone cannot see.
I see. Okay. So my next question is, do you believe that ordering through e-menu might reduce your awkwardness when you are unsure like what to order? So for example, when you order e-menu, you can think in your own time, like it's like quite peaceful, you can like think about it. But when you're ordering like in the cashier, and then the cashier like eyes contact with you, and then you have to like quickly give the order. So which one will you prefer, from your opinion?
Okay. Now you have put it this way. If let's say there's a lot of people lining up, for sure the e-menu lah.
Okay.
If I want to walk to the cashier, definitely I'll take my own sweet time.
Okay. And my last question is, do you think the design info like nutrition fact like calorie intake like sugar level are important in the e-menu?
Yes.
May I know why?
Why? As in like being able to, okay, you mentioned sugar level.
Yeah.
So do you mean being able to adjust my sugar level, or me knowing how much sugar is inside?
Yeah, how much sugar like is inside like for per drink? Yeah.
I mean, for females, definitely very good. Then I see it, a lot so much sugar. Okay, 那不要叫咯 just
Okay.
pour plain water.
Okay, I see. Okay, thank you. Now I'll pass to Jay to talk about the self-survey kiosk. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Adam, and hello, Michelle. My name is Jay. So my first question is regarding like, do you prefer like traditional service or self-service machine for ordering purposes like the one that McDonald's currently have? Do you prefer like just order on the kiosk, or do you just like prefer to order at the cashier?
Kiosk or the cashier?
Yeah.
To me personally, right, whichever the line is shorter, I fine with both.
Alright, so you think both is good as well as the line short, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So do you think like a coffee shop, maybe like Kinura, right? If there is not a self-service kiosk machine, is that convenient for you when ordering?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
So let's say the coffee shop Kinura, right? They implement a self-service kiosk. Do you think that is convenient to you?
Convenient, depending on where the kiosk is located at. If it's near my workplace, for sure it's convenient. Depending on the location.
But the self-service kiosk basically will just install at the in their shop, because it's basically just like how McDonald's works. They just like give you order at the kiosk, and then they will just like serve you later on. So do you think for that is convenient for you?
It is convenient to reduce waiting period.
Okay. So do you feel like unsafe when a self-service kiosk collect your personal information, like your name or maybe like your contact number, something like that?
Now that you have put it this way, I've never ever thought about that. I just go to the food pay and go.
You should just fake your ID. I mean.
I don't think I will feel uncomfortable. Like depending on what information they're asking, like I see then no lah. You tell me name, phone number, email, I'm still okay.
Alright. Got it. So have you ever had a negative experience while ordering food or beverage from a self-service kiosk?
No.
No, it's all good. No lagging, nothing.
No. McDonald's was so fun. I mean, the only kiosk, the ordering kiosk that I've experienced is McDonald's, not nowhere else, I think.
So overall, it's good lah for you.
Alright, okay.
Alright. So I guess to what extent do you find ordering from a self-service kiosk is convenient is depending on the line, right? Let's say it can reduce your waiting time, then you just go for the order at the kiosk, right? Alright. So do you find any challenges when you're ordering via a kiosk instead of like ordering at the counter? Do you find any challenges before?
Challenges, personal challenges, no lah, because I feel that people who actually order in kiosks, right, already know what they want to eat. But those at the counter, maybe they are still not sure. Maybe they want to know recommendations of what is nice or what is not nice. What would you recommend? And maybe they will go to the counter. But people who already know what they want will just go to the kiosk.
Okay. Since like you mentioned about your experience using the self-service kiosk at McDonald's, right? So they actually offer the customization. So do you find like the customization features is good?
No.
And or you think like any other features is good for you, like for a kiosk? Like you feel it's really needed for a kiosk? Aside from customization, yeah.
No.
Aside from customization, I mean, make sure, besides being able to customize, right, I think being able to add remarks is important. Because some things, right, like I can put in other options.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess also maybe like user friendly and easy to understand the page and how it works.
This one for sure. Like, if I don't know where I'm pressing, I'll just get frustrated. I just not order. I'll just leave.
Yeah, got it. Okay. So the last question will be like, why do you believe using a kiosk is convenient and secure?
Why is the kiosk convenient and secure?
Yeah. Why do you believe that? Or you don't believe that?
kiosk. Okay. Alright. If you tell me security wise, maybe about human okay, but I would say less human error, I guess, because I'm dealing directly with machine. I mean, there are incidents where I heard lah. Hey, the people, the cashier, right? You know, when you pay, sometimes you use credit card, right? The cashier will take your credit card information and start swiping and start buying things online for themselves. There are cases like that.
Oh.
So if you pay through kiosk when you tap, I don't think the kiosk will go and use my card to buy something else lah.
Alright, so I guess kiosk is much more safer nowadays because of human.
Touch wood temporarily lah.
Okay.
God knows the kiosk will go from glitch from 10 ringgit to charge me 100 ringgit. Then I don't know who to find already.
Alright, so make sure you check your receipt every time, I guess.
Yes.
Alright, so the last one for self-service, like, do you think because of self-service kiosk, like, you reduce your awkwardness when you want to order? Maybe like when you're not sure you want to order one, you can just keep standing at the kiosk and then just browse through what you want to eat. Do you think it actually reduce like awkwardness? Or you like prefer dealing with people, you just like go to the counter and ask what's the recommendation?
Again, it depends on the line. I
Right.
have to be considerate to other people. If no one, then I'll browse properly. So then go and see what else we just got. If got people, then I'll just go straight order fast lah. But I think usually people order fast, nobody orders slow one lah.
Okay. Yeah, it makes sense. Alright, so after you heard like all the proposal, like application, e-menu, and the self-service kiosk, right? So which ordering method do you prefer more? Maybe you can like give a rank from top to the bottom. Yeah, like which one you prefer?
Application, self-serving kiosk, or physical,
Or e-menu.
or e-menu.
Yeah, which one is like the most like you prefer for Teen New Year or maybe any of the coffee shops to implement? Like, which one you prefer more?
What's the difference between the e-menu and also... Oh wait, e-menu is you sit down and you order. Self-serving kiosk, I mean technically all... Which would I prefer?
Yeah.
Self-serving kiosk? The big one only.
Yeah, maybe you can just like rank from the top until the least one. The most preferred.
Most preferred
Yeah.
Self-serving kiosk, casual. Wait, I forgot application. Wait.
And the e-menu. Yeah.
Self-serving kiosk, casual, application, e-menu, then application.
Alright. So is there any like specific reason why you pick like self-service kiosk as your most preferred method? Because of the waiting.
Because like self-serving kiosk, right? I think of self-serving kiosk as an online menu more than the e-menu. I do not know. Maybe my experiences with e-menu, right? They are quite slow. And self-serving kiosk, the interface is slightly friendlier. Maybe for my experience, I'm not sure about others.
Okay.
That is the reason why. But why would I rank application last? It's because usually application comes with delivery and there are delivery charges.
Oh, okay. So in the end, you also like prefer just go to their shop and order coffee, right?
For sure, if can because I mean delivery is actually not cheap. And you buy from online, right? Especially like vendors like Grab or Foodpanda, right? They actually mark up the item maybe is 5 ringgit, right? The coffee they charge it 7 or 8 ringgit one through the app.
Agree with that. Yeah, if like let's say like home right, you just use like those Grab, Grab food, you just like go bankrupt.
Technically, you won't go there and you'll be a practice member.
Oh yeah, because of the phone, right? Alright, so I think that's all for all the new questions. Thank you so much for taking your time, to help us to answer all the questions that we asked. And before we end, we would like to have a group picture with you. Is that okay?
I hope that my answers help. I have no idea if my answers help or not.
Yeah, it helped a lot.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so Adam, 3, 2, 1. Alright,
Thank you.
have a great day.